Okay.
아,
요즘에만 먹는다니까.
There's some weird
You want?
waffles.
You want?
A duck? A duck?
Guys, look at this. It's
It's
so
a
cute.
duck?
It's an ice cream.
It's a duck. There's a waffle too. Small.
야, 저 어린놈이 저기 깜짝을
So
끼워.
there's a cookie. So Oreo.
Here,
guys.
there's a dolphin.
So now this is a what?
This is a unicorn. Mwah.
엉심이가
There's a
됐다는데
tiny
신경을
teddy
써.
bear. It's cute. And then sugar dolphin. This is one dog. This is one. What do you call this?
We're sisters. We're sisters.
And then here's an ice cream.
Oh my gosh! Look at this, guys. It's so cute. It's milk. It's spelled backwards.
It's an M&M.
It's a piece of I like this ice cream. So cute. Like these ice
I
creams.
like this because it's like
Comment
weird.
down below which is cuter, A or B.
Here's a ring thingy. Hey, you saw
Inside. This is
something.
the inside. So this is vanilla. This is
Well, I
chocolate
have no
and
idea
vanilla.
what's this.
So this is A. This is B. I pick A to be honest.
We're gonna sell.
Yeah, I'm gonna be the seller.
No, I want to be the seller. This,
Okay, fine. Okay.
this.
Here's your
And
character.
this is me.
Oh, okay.
Selling this, selling this. These are all the food taken.
No, you have to show them the food, bro.
Here's the food. Food.
Oh, yeah.
The delicious food.
The food are the ones we showed you a while ago.
Yeah. Okay, what do you want? This is This is $5. This is $2. This is $2. This is $6. This is $12. Here's some food. Here's some food.
This is the $7.
$50.
$50, guys. Look at this, guys. So shiny.
Maybe can I have that? You can borrow this.
This is me.
I have a waffle now. So he likes it.
Huh? Did you give him one?
I
He
gave
might
him
swallow.
another one.
He might swallow.
He won't swallow it.
게스트 서울봐요.
He might eat
서울가
it.
게스트를
He won't eat it.
Hannah, just try it.
He just played with it.
Look at this. Look at this, guys. So this is something that I don't know what is it. It looks like shampoo. I will steal. It's a baby, guys. Playing with a baby check.
He wants to get it.
I want some.
Selling these, selling food.
What should I get, guys? What should I get?
Selling.
Okay. I wanna buy. How much is this?
That one is $5. It's $2.
Okay, so I'm just gonna take this and give you $2, which is a pound, DKY. It's a very Got it.
Thank you. Now you can have your weird thingy.
아이,
Here. Who wants a waffle? Who wants a waffle?
Me. I want some waffles. Give me some waffles.
Okay, this is for $5. Cause it is a delicious layer.
Never mind, I'm not buying it.
It's fine. It's just $4.
Never mind, I'm not buying it again.
He stole it. He stole something.
Oh,
He stole it.
he stole my
He
pencil.
stole. He
Oh.
stole it.
You looks like 하라.
He can borrow. He can borrow that.
You can borrow.
Oh, okay, bye, okay. So I'm a duckling.
Changing price into.
자, exchange. You want to exchange this one? Give me. 주세요. 오.
It
strong.
broke. It broke.
자,
Where's the other piece? It broke.
Just wait. I will fix it.
It's the waffles for $2. For $2.
사이다 좀 주세요.
For $1. For $1.
Where's $1? This is 2, so you have to give me $1.
이런 거 주면 안
This is $1.
되지.
You forgot about this is $1.
No, this. $1. Who wants
I
that?
already gave you $1.
Where is it?
Oh yeah, this.
그러니까 중상이
Give it to I'll pay you $1.
우리한테서 그냥 달라 그러잖아.
And then here's your $1 now.
뭐 하나 더
Thanks for this.
Here's your waffles.
이게 안 되니까
This is
꺼졌어.
Who wants to buy drinks?
$5.
Some milk.
6. Oh, under. This one.
와. 해마 문제되겠다. 하나 하라. 오, sorry. 네, 글로벌.
Selling these. You hide this. Hide the dolphin. Selling these. Wait, I'll just put it in front. Wait.
This is cake, guys. It's like so yummy. No, it's not actually. It's just.
Where are the twins?
So like
These
here's
are
the
the twins.
marshmallow.
Hey, stop! Stop!
Marshmallow.
These are the food.
Don't steal my marshmallow.
This is the cookies.
애들한테 이걸
This
줄
is
필요가
milk.
없는데.
This is milk. And then what's that? I think that's orange juice. And then these are the drinks. Okay. Now, here's the money. Okay, selling these.
Can I have an ice cream? This ice cream.
Okay. Now, it is for $5.
Here's $5.
Thank you. Pays back $1 because this is rare. Here, I give you $10.
This is $1. Because I don't know what this is.
Hara. Pretend this is $20 million, and then I give you $50 million. Here, $50 million because this is $2 million.
So guys, I got an ice cream so far.
You hide your dolphin because that's your food. Where's your dolphin? Okay, now.
Okay,
Who wants to get here? Who wants to get a drink? Who wants to get a drink?
a drink? Yeah, me. I'm really thirsty. I'm eating all those junk food. So,
Here's some milk.
yeah, can I have some milk, please? How much is the milk?
Oh, the milk is just, since you have so much money, you give me $10 because this is just for $5. Okay, I give you
$10.
$5.
Thanks for the milk.
I give you $5 back. Pretend it's $5 now. $5. Yay!
So I'm just going to. Oh my god. Oh no! What? Oh no! I don't like that. So like I'm gonna drink my milk.
소금을 껴줘야
I can't find
너
it.
앞질려.
아니 근데 그건 더러워.
Just I don't drink my milk.
아니 더러워 주지 마. 아니 주지 마.
I don't actually know what. I see like the milk like you can't zoom.
아이고.
Is that me?
I don't like it.
아유.
So
알코올 없나?
can I have like can I have like a soda and the ice cream, please?
Okay, sure.
Soda and ice cream. How much will that be?
That will be, what do you call this? $10.
아,
$10 again?
그
Okay.
앞에 알코올 그 뿌리는 기계
Thank
있었어.
you. This is $10.
알코올 앞에 알코올 뿌리는 기계.
줄라 그래 안 주면
Oh
되는데.
no, I gotta buy. And then, since I have many money, pretend I have many money. I remember I have the 2 million money, and then I buy it for them.
야.
I buy this all again. Okay? Appa.
누나.
Hello.
초콜릿 딱 받았는데 그걸 누나예요. 누나. 시간이.
어디 뭐 가봤어?
Guys, these are actually ice cream, and this waffle is just
아 누나들이 안 받아줬어.
here's the drink, and then marshmallow. Selling these.
아 진짜 장이다.
Hey, who wants? Okay, now. Wanna buy anything? No. What do you want?
표정 중요한데.
No.
What do you want then?
How about let's make this like our own house. So yeah, I'm going to go grocery. Okay? And then you're gonna be in the house. But this is our stuffed toys and our pets. Okay, Hannah? Okay, so yeah. Where's your character? This is my character already.
He looks like me.
He looks like me, not just kidding. What's your character?
What's doing?
This was annoying, utterly annoying. So we are gonna have our groceries, like yeah. So
Let's buy groceries today.
no, I'm gonna buy the groceries. You
I
gotta take
want
care of the pets. Where's
one.
the water pets? The water pets should stay in the tank. Where's the tank? And you have to take care of the bear too.
I feed them first.
I'm going grocery.
Go to your bath. Go to your
I'm going to
bath.
get some. Okay.
Go to your bath. Go to your bath. The others are in the water.
I'm going grocery. See you later.
See you later.
왠지 스타일에 약간
Now, let's go eat. So, dining table now. Hey, give me your food. Okay. Here's some food for you. Hey, it's grocery. We have to eat it. After we eat it, we can get it. Okay, now let's eat it. Yay, we ate it. That's good. Now it's time to feed the fishes.
I got the grocery.
Wow, that's so many. Oh, anyways, put time to sit chair now.
Okay, it's fine. I got a chip. I also bought some milk.
Good.
Let me put the milk on the table. Next, I bought shampoo. I just guessed. I'm gonna put that on the table as well. I also bought cake fudge.
Cake fudge. That's about
I meant a chair. I forgot. And a marshmallow.
아이고 서우.
And two wonderful and delicious ice cream. Remember to type in the comments which one do you like. A
I'll
or
pause
B.
it.
No, don't pause it, bro.
You can pause it. If you press that, then you will stop the
Yeah,
video.
you're just like
Papa, can we pause it?
엄마.
Pause it.
Yes, we can pause it.
엄마.
Okay, so guys, as I was saying, I also bought these two ice creams. So just got place them right on the table. And I also bought these cookies. I also gotta put that in the table. There's no more space on the table, so I'm just gonna make some space. Hannah, stop your noise, bro. So, this drink also. This drink that costs $1,000,000 pesos. Just kidding, like only 15 pesos. I'm just gonna put that right on the table. So I'm just going to like put these all in order. And there goes back my glasses. Okay, so Hannah, stop there.
Mine.
You can also have this.
Mine.
Stop,
I
stop.
want
그래
food.
뭐를
Stop.
Food, please.
Okay, fine.
A cookie. I went to.
언니들
I want to have. I went to one.
먹던 거 지금 방
I
깨물고
went to one.
What are you doing, bro?
놀러와.
You're so big now. Baby Hannah, what are you doing? Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it.
저
Oh, so me, I'm just going to like put these in order because I don't know what to do. So let me just put them in order. So let me just gonna put them in order. Be right back. Wait. Be right back. So let's just.
너 뭔
I'm done arranging. I'm just going to get a glass of milk. On my way, I'm gonna get a glass of milk. So I'm just
권장님 술 따지는 술 있어서
11월 17일까지.
so like I'm just gonna drink the milk. So I'm just gonna drink the milk.
I'm back.
Of course you're back. You're always back. So like the milk rice is like so cute. Like, since it was my birthday and Mr. Say forgot to give me my gift, she realized she wanted to give me like some cute things, which are like Mountain Dew. The marshmallow. Wait a minute, guys. This is the button, right? He's gone now. He's gone now. He's gone now. So, but he got my crayons, but it's fine. So he also gave me this marshmallow, which is literally so cute. It reminds me of my childhood. Hannah, what are the frick are you doing? So I'm just here with 2 pillows. When the world. So okay, I'm just gonna put this right aside. And the next one is cookies. Hannah, can you put this here? So like here the cookies. Cookies. So like it's like so cute. It's I never seen like a cookie like this before, but I hope it comes out in shelves. Shelves. How can you look at
Can we ride your bike?
So no. So like here's the ice cream, the cute ice cream I was talking about. So this is the vanilla one. Wait, I'm gonna get the chocolate one. Just a second. As you can see, like this is like cookies and cream. So like, which one do you like in the comments? This is vanilla. This is cookies and cream. So you should type in the comments which one you like. A, vanilla, cookies and cream. B. So please comment because I really want to know what you like because you know. And I'm just gonna and milk again. Put that right there. And hey guys, guess what this is? Like try to read it backwards. Oh my gosh, it's blurred. But I don't know if you can see that. Guys, I don't know if you can see that, so, but I know so it's like shampoo. I just call it shampoo anyway. And here comes our animals. Oh no, I forgot the cake. The cake is like so hard, so we made it a chair.
아이고 우리도 장전하는데 하나 장전을 해.
Is the character.
우리도 장전하면
So the character Hannah likes is the unicorn, which I don't know why. So I'm just gonna put this unicorn right aside here. And also this mermaid tail looks like I'm eating a mermaid, but I'm trying.
아빠가 잘못인
So
거야.
this one is Hana.
어 누나.
This one is like really
Your
cute.
bike
No, Hana,
if
stop.
it's not raining.
Like this is like really cute because
Can
it's
you
like
ride your bike if it's
dolphin.
not raining?
Yeah, sure.
Yay.
No, not right. Like after. So this is like really cute, and it has some sparkles in it, which I really love. And I also love the seahorse, which reminds me of my science class when we were talking about seahorses.
뭘 확인하는 거야?
And next is this teddy bear.
타장 같아. 타장이야.
Which doesn't make any sound. So like this teddy bear is like super glittery and it's super big. So I never seen this before. That's why I really love this.
립밤이야. 오케이. 오케이. 아, it's okay. 아. 자, so you have to go.
And mostly my favorite character, ta-da, the duckling, which I love. So now I got a cookie, surprisingly.
난 내일 박스가 더 기대돼.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put
Guys,
this
you know
back.
how to eat this
다 버려야
cookie?
되잖아.
Eat the sides because it's
내일
chocolate.
박스 까면 돼요.
아니 뭘 깎을까?
오늘 박스 하나 까서 내일 박스에 3개 돼 있어요. 그리고 모기 스프레이는 계속 뿌리세요. 얼마 안 남았어요.
아니 이거 뭐야 버려야 되잖아.
아, 버리면 괜찮아요. 괜찮은데. 처음에 그냥 한번 넣을게요.
No one does that, Hannah. No one does that.
유통기한 안 지나고 여기 있던 거예요.
아니
All in
입에
there.
넣으니까
아,
As you can see.
버려요. 들어.
Oh no, there's back. So there's. I'm
아,
gonna eat my cookie now
선생님이
because I'm.
애들 입고 하는데
No, I'm not gonna eat it now.
아무거나 줘.
So.
입에 다 들어가는데.
아, 저거 새 거예요. 나름대로 닦아서 준 거예요.
Now leave me.
아니 뭐 하다가 이게
And then I'm back.
두개 줬거든요. 립밤이랑 저거랑.
30 정도의 사이즈.
And then I think that's for today, guys.
와,
I don't know what that's for today. Like, Hannah, you want to take over?
그래서 제가
Hannah, you want to take over?
No.
So, let me just.
Wait, what?
그거 주면 이제 고원장님 꿈을 떠나지 않아.
Oh, no, what have you done? Just kidding.
그냥 초콜릿을 줬으니 고원장님 꿈을 떠나지 않고 닦고 있었어요.
Ice cream, how you like
정규
it?
덩어리. 정규 덩어리.
This is a cookie and I'm about to not eat it.
이거
이거 먹으면 살찌는 거.
아, 신났다.
So, look, guys.
그렇게 작게 잘라주면 원장님 바빠. 크게 줘야 돼.
크게 줘도 다 먹던데요?
그러니까 아니 좀 덜 바빠지잖아.
That's so weird, man.
야, 그거 두개 그걸 안 먹어.
No.
자, 그리고 이제
이러면 이제 덜 바빠져.
빨아먹으면서
Wait, stop. I'm gonna try to do it anyway.
산책.
누나
Wait.
뒤로 가지 마.
넌 아까 전에 얘 텐트랑
아, 저거를 제 집에 들고 가고 제 집에 팔아야 되겠다.
I'm gonna try to do the
혹시 주변에 TV 사장입니다. 중국제 브랜드인데.
완전 쓰레기. 아니 팔아달라는데 완전 쓰레기라고.
완전 그 제가 말씀한 로우 브랜드를 말하는데
Wait a minute, guys.
로우 브랜드
So,
제가
Mine now?
no.
Mine?
No, what?
I want to eat.
Because you don't like it. Oh, yeah. I thought you said the car. So, like,
아 원래라니까 스마트집인데 원래인데 집에 갖고 이렇게
고원장님 낳고 있는
Mine?
부천이 아니야 이거는 많이 천천히.
so basically, the reason why it's so noisy is because my grandma's over there.
혹시나 그걸 더 팔 수 있는 사람이 천이라고 붙여서 더 팔 수 있는 사람이 있어.
Guys, you can't see it. I'll show you.
근데 분명히 지금 하니까
You seen them? I hope you did.
뭐 굳이 써야 되는 게 아니면
아빠.
So like, there's like a big tent over there. I don't know what that's that for.
그거를 지금 삼성을
Over there,
내가
like,
쓰고요.
it's a big
원장님이
tent.
하늘에 올려.
If you don't see that tent right there, it's like so big. So like, I can't what to do.
스마트 TV.
Hi, baby. 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 So look, BRB.
나는 방에 TV가 하나 있고 그걸로
We are back. So like, I'm just like right here. What's the baby crying?
냉장고에 이것만 하나 있어.
아니 아니.
So
아 그런 게 아니. 그런 게 아니고.
just a second, guys. Just a quick second. So guys, I'm back. So let me ask my dad if I can bring the tablet outside. So let's go. Can they see you? There's my sister trying to ask. Oh no. But she said yes. So let's go. So like, I'm just gonna use the hand because I'm sure I don't know how to do that. So here's outside, people. I think this video is gonna be so long, so take a quick selfie. Hi, Miss Mylene. You're on YouTube. So like, ask the comments if I should go upstairs in the next video. So let's just go outside for a while. So if I didn't tell you yet, no, I can't. If I didn't tell you yet that this is a half school, half dorm. So yeah, let's go check around. Let's go check around the school. So let's go around that corner. So like, it's like really like so weird over here. There's like one, like, you know, guys. So like, I'm just walking over here. I think. Oh look. Person. I don't want to turn the camera at them, cause like I don't want them to like take a recording them, cause you know. So like, I'ma just like basically.
Let's show the monk bar.
Okay. And we're going to the beach now, so you might take a glance. So this is like the cafeteria behind the main. So like, that's the cafeteria. Wait, I'm gonna follow my sister. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, hello, Korean. Like, the monkey bars are wet. Never mind. I think I'm just gonna like do a little tour around, and let's see if like we're gonna go back. So BRB. Okay, so guys, like here we are again. So like, okay, here is the dorm where we live, and we're going to the parking lot. So let's go. So we're over here, just trying to, like, just trying to walk around. Look, there goes the baby. Let's go. Hi, baby. Say hi to the camera. He's so shocked he saw himself. So let's go back. Because, like, literally, I have to turn this off. Because literally.
Can you ride the bike now?
Yeah. After this video ends. So bye, guys. Because I have to give my dad back this. So want to take a selfie? No, just kidding. So, like, bye, guys. See you for part 2. So, see ya. See ya. Bye. See ya later.